Marianne here with you from Autohaus of Naples, and today I have an ultra low mile 2015 Mercedes Benz, the current body style of the C-Class. It is a W205 body style C300, and it's finished in a diamond silver metallic with an awesome black interior, which I will show you. You can see the body style is phenomenal. Like I did say, it is a W205 body style, and it is the current C-Class model that Mercedes has made. I'm going to show you the interior. It's like a mini S-Class, which whenever we get to the other side, I'll show you that, but really that's exactly what it looks like, is a miniature version of the S-Class Mercedes-Benz. You have the panoramic roof. From the inside, obviously, you can tell it's panoramic, but from the outside, it looks like this black full glass all the way from the trunk to the hood of the car. So it's super awesome. One of the things that I thought was super cool too was the multi-contour seats that you can actually utilize from the door there, and it looks spectacular and very modern, I guess, if you will. And from the front, you will also notice how sporty it looks. You can see the grille is bold, low, and sporty. Also, you know it's a sport mode whenever the emblem, usually the star, Mercedes star, would be up like this on the hood if it was not sport mode, or sport sedan, excuse me. But that star down here is indicative of that. Sorry, the camera guy is giving me hand signals and it's confusing me. Under the hood, we have a it's a 2-liter engine, and it produces 241 horsepower. It's actually a turbocharged engine. So 2-liter turbocharged engine producing 241 horsepower. So very quick, but also I believe whenever you see the inside of this car and you feel how it runs, it's luxurious and sporty as well. So the contouring lines on the side here, real quick, I'm going to get a full view of it. I did say it looks like an S-Class. I think it does. I did not get the hood shut, so I apologize, but you can see that it gives that S-Class, miniature S-Class look, and the contouring lines here on the side are absolutely beautiful and sleek and elegant as well. And the wood grain is awesome. I did say low mileage, 15,000 miles in this car, so extremely low. We also have I believe we have a manufacturer warranty, correct? For
yes.
Another year or so, right?
Yeah, almost. Yeah. February next year.
So, yeah. And I did say the panoramic roof from the outside. I love that. Your dual exhaust here in the back, and the chrome appearance, which I love. And of course, plenty of trunk space. And the folding seats as well in the back. So not only is there plenty of trunk space without folding it down, but if you really need that much room, you have that option just by pulling these handles right here. So I'm going to take it out on a test drive for you guys and show you how awesome this car runs. I can't get anything shut today. All right, I'm gonna get it started up, and you can see on the odometer we have 15,729 miles, and we had a bit of a malfunction yesterday with the camera. I'm at least being told it was because of the camera, but I think it was me. That walk around was basically awful. But I will say, in my defense, it was Friday afternoon, and I kind of get very anxious during our Friday afternoon happy hours going on. You can see the display screen is awesome. I love where it is located in this car. I always talk about these vents as well, the retro vents. You do have your navigation, your media interface as well. And like I said, the car is under factory warranty. I believe it's about a year, and we have just the 15,000 miles, so it's an awesome car, great gas mileage. I want to say it's about 35 on the highway. You can see here, it gives you your range, your economy display, and we do have also the agility options, which is going to be your economy. You can do your comfort, sport plus. I am just going to kind of hang in sport, which is no surprise to anybody because that is my default. And the wood grain throughout is just beautiful. The Mercedes clock, which I'm going to show you once we finish showing the sunroof operation. There we go. Okay, so the wood grain, you can see, absolutely beautiful. I love the Mercedes clock here. These are going to be your shortcut buttons for the navigation, radio, media, the telephone. So obviously we do have your Bluetooth, and you can see here your cup holders. It's obviously a non-smoking car, and here you can do your shortcut and navigation for your navigating for the command center. So also here's your menu as well, and you can see here is going to be your air distribution, and you do have your dual air conditioning as well. So alright, so these are all your apps. It's actually a really cool display, as I had said. You have your navigation, your radio, your media, telephone, and your vehicle options, along with your consumption and your air conditioning as well, or climate options. Here's the consumption, so it's going to give you your mile per gallon. It does have great gas mileage in this car, and you even have your operator's manual, which is super cool. But of course, I'm not sure if it's going to work while I'm driving.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
It stands still.
But it's still an option on here, which I love. So if you don't like to read through the books, you can always use the cool function of your command center to do that. This is going to give you show you more of the steering of the sport and sport plus and comfort mode. And anyway, let's get to the fun part. It's definitely got a lot of power. Wow. Yeah, did you like that?
There's more engine, yes.
Yeah. I was pleasantly
Surprisingly,
surprised. Yeah. I was pleasantly surprised by that. It's just a great car. Like I said, it does have the factory warranty. You can see we have the books, and you have your USB options. You even have 2 options. You have your SD card as well. It's just a great car. Like, it's almost like a mini S-Class. I think I mentioned that yesterday during the walk-arounds. I think anybody would be happy with this car. Give us a call at 239-263-8500. Here, again, I'm sorry, I just didn't know if I mentioned the steering wheel also yesterday. So remember that I'm doing 2 different videos, so I'm not sure exactly what I talked about yesterday. But you have your paddle shifting here and your multi-function steering wheel. 239-263-8500 is our phone number. On the web, it's autohausnaples.com. House is H-A-U-S. And you can also find us on social media. So I will see you guys on the next one.
Florida.
That's too much.
This was the distance alert program that alerts you when you come too close to a car in front of you or a stopped vehicle. It beeps and it alerts you so you can slam on the brakes or make a maneuver like I just did.